Hello viewers, welcome to today's session on the French nasal sounds. We are going to look at the available French nasal sounds, and we are going to look at the letters in the alphabet that combines to make the French nasal sounds, the vowels that combines with the consonants to make the French nasal sound. There are three major French nasal sounds. Of course, there are equally important minor ones, but we are going to focus on the three major sounds that are available for all learners. So yes, we have the phonetic symbol here. Okay, right. Then we have the nasal symbol and a few indication or abbreviation of spellings to help you form a few words. All right, so let's begin with the first one. Okay, watch closely, d'accord? Ok, suivez bien. All right, we have the A sound, all right, but then with the symbol on top, it becomes on. All right, on. Little bit of your mouth opened, but then you stretch it. You stretch. I mean, you nasalize it by stretching a bit. Like you watch me closely. Okay. All right. Okay. It goes like Okay. All right. Your mouth not too open. Okay. So we have this one. A-N. Okay. A-N. A-N. Which we go for okay, like that. Then we have this one, we go for blanc. Okay, blanc. Okay, this one on here. Okay, enfant. Right, enfant. And this one we have it am. All right, so we got temps. Okay, temps. All right. Of course, we all know that we don't pronounce the end words of the French words. That's the generalized rule. Yeah, of course there are exceptions where we pronounce the end words or exceptional words. Okay, so blanc for white. Okay, we have the enfant for a youngster or a kid. Okay, a child. We have temps, right? Time or weather, season. Okay, so that's the the first one. So we go here. Okay, which one is very similar or slight difference from this. So this have the S, something like trois. Okay, like three. All right, trois. But it is side written. Okay, so this also go for a short pronunciation. So you watch closely. We have all right. This one also goes for okay, in a very short form. Okay, it looks similar to the upper one. So here is the symbol. We have okay, do you get it? So we have this one as pain. That's bread. Faim, right? Faim. And we have chien, right? Chien. Okay. Then we have vin. Vin. Are you okay? Vin. So vin for wine. Then we have chien. Chien for your pet dog. Okay. Faim. All right. Faim. Or you starving or you are hungry. Then we have pain. Obviously, this is a bread. Okay. So we go down here for the last one. So you watch closely how you nasalize. Okay, this indication will make you go. Okay, all right. So we have you watch closely. Okay. Right. Okay, so we have O-N, right? So, example here, boom, boom, okay, boom, O-M, okay, becomes okay, we stress on this one, so the indication that you have to stress on this, okay. So we have the right, and boom, this is good, this is a shade. You have a shade of something or a shadow. Okay, so yeah, this is the a few examples of the major nasal sounds that's available. Of course, these are a few examples, but there are many more of them, many combinations other than these that gives this major sound. So when you see this, you go for right, you guys are okay, in a short. This one is with a little stretch, okay, and this one all right, this is short stretch, okay, and then it's okay. All right, so we are going to look at the other ones. We're going to delve deeper into the other nasal sound that's available. So enjoy your day, and thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you again later. Merci beaucoup, mes amis.